Oh hi everybody, welcome back to another video. And I'm playing some Fortnite right now. Fortnite. Sorry guys, it's like 11 o'clock, so yeah, but I'm gonna play some squads, if you can see. I'm on Xbox, by the way. But yeah, I got skin man. Let me just do the dab. Boom. And just do some T-bows. There you go. I have, yeah. So, this will be yeah. I'm gonna about it. Go see. Hello? Oh, hello? 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 God damn it. Usually no one has a mic anymore. Literally, like, I've been trying this to record this. Oh no. I'll show you through my locker. So never. Anyway, in my locker, so in my locker, of course, so I have the circle skin, dab, yeah. Never going to skin. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. John Wick. Skin. Oh yeah, hang on. There you go. Don't have that much. But it is something. And we're gonna see. Yeah, the circle skins back out. Damn, I got that today. I would have buying this. Nah. For football. Yeah. Actually, no, let me put on my. I'm gonna see if my friend can join now. I'm just. Please tell me. His name is Luca the Gamer. Luca Gamer, so. Yeah. And it's literally. Let me find my friend. My best friend, you can say. Here, this is his name. This is my friend. And let me just play with Gadget now. Right, Gadget? Oh, yeah, you're right, Jack. Right, Gadget? Gadget? Okay. And I'm going to end the video here.